Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Kryptonic, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my little closet conversion project I did. I basically made my closet into like a working shooting area for computers, and it looks really awesome in my opinion. If you guys do end up enjoying the video, make sure to drop a like, and if you guys are new, make sure to subscribe for more awesome content. But anyways, guys, let's get straight into the video. Now, how I converted this little closet space into a working space is by hitting up Costco. They had a $40 table. That's not a foldable table, but it's a adjustable table for height, which means that basically you guys can just change the height on it, and the max height on it is like the perfect height because it matches up to my waist, which is perfect for me. I can work around it really well, and it just overall really works for me, and I really enjoy it because that means that I don't have to ever work in this area that you guys kind of see me in right now. This is my A-roll set. This is where I have my computer, my monitors. This is the area that I like to keep really clean. And I wanted a separate space to be really dirty, really hands-on with computers. Whenever I take components out, I'm just throwing things left and right, and I don't want to get my nice mouse pad, my keyboard, all these other things on my desk dirty. So having this separate space is something that's really nice. I also added a studio light. I actually have a studio light behind the camera right now, but I have a studio light in the closet, and it's really a good light to use for that small space because it lights up the entire space, which looks really cool. It basically gives it this like very natural daylight look because it's a box light, and it reflects off the table really nice. And on top of everything, I have a little shelf, and that's actually where I put all my products. Whenever products come in, that's where I put them. Whenever I have to review them, obviously take them down. And now I'm using that area, that table, for B-roll shots because it does look very clean with that studio light filling in all the places in that small little closet. Now, I did also put a spare monitor that I had in here in the closet just because a lot of the times I'm actually troubleshooting computers. Underneath a table, I have a bunch of computers that I'm working on right now. They vary from having i5s to i7s, and I'm just basically taking apart the computers, making a better overall computer and selling it. But right now I've just been a little bit busy, but that's basically what I've been trying to get to, and having that monitor there is actually perfect because I already have all the cables connected to an extension that I bought at Home Depot that connects right back up to my setup, so I can just put away the connection whenever I don't need to have my workshop turned on, and then I can just pop it out again whenever I do want to use my workshop, and it keeps it really clean. And the nice thing about this entire setup is that it really came together because of this like foldable table from Costco that isn't a foldable table. It's just a really nice party table, I would say. And now, before I end off the video, there's one product that I've been wanting to talk to you guys about, and this product is 7Mize little vacuum. It's a portable vacuum basically, and it's something that you guys can keep on your setup to keep everything looking really clean. And I don't know if it's OCD or whatever it is, but I'm always cleaning my area, and I just always have to change things up. You guys probably see it from all my videos. I always have a different shot behind me. It's always changing because I'm always changing things around my setup. And basically, this little vacuum is actually really useful because it charges over USB-C, which is a cable I already have all over my computer area all the time. And it's really powerful. The suction on this is actually, I would say, as good as a common household that has like a stick and tube that you just pull out. That's the suction force I would say this little vacuum has. I really like the fact that it's really portable, and it has a few different hoses that come with it, a skinny tip one and one with brushes in order to get the dirt out of areas that you don't want it to be in. It's really convenient, really light, and I think the only thing that I so far have not enjoyed from using it for the past few days pretty extensively, because I'm always cleaning my area, is that the skin it has on it, it's like a thick sticker. It's basically like a cover. It's not like a plastic housing. It's got like a skin on it. I don't know how else to describe it, but it seems to get stained or scratched somewhat easily. Anyways, guys, let me know what you guys thought about this entire little project. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I honestly really enjoy having two separate areas, and by having those two separate areas, I feel like I can be a little bit more productive. And so far I've felt that just because I've been working on computers, and not having my back underneath my loft bed right here has been so great. Just working in an open space with really good lighting, everything about that space just feels really comfortable. And the thing is, I don't dislike my A-roll set. It's just I like to keep things different. I don't like to have to work in my A-roll set because it's meant for gaming. And I really wanted those separate spaces, and now that I have that, I feel like it's just my soul, my heart has been put to ease. And I thought it was really cool because, not many people have a closet setup that they can just kind of hide whenever they want. So I thought, hey, I'm gonna make a video about it and share it with the world. But anyways, guys, my name is Kryptonic. I stream on Twitch Monday, Wednesday, Friday. That's also when I try to upload, in case you guys want to see more videos from me. That's when you should check YouTube. But anyways, guys, my name is Kryptonic. Hopefully you guys had a great day, and I will catch you guys later. Peace, guys.